Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We just covered the Lilium earnings. Thank you for joining me. The Lilium earnings is now uploading to YouTube, so you'll be able to catch that shortly. I've been trying to upload it to Rumble, but it doesn't seem to be working at the moment. I'm going to try again now. It might be because the video is too large. Let me see, I'll try it again. Very often these earning videos don't work if they're too big, but we'll see. We'll give it a couple of seconds. Let's see if it's going to upload this time. Just bear with me a second. Oh no, it's not going to upload. That's the third time of trying. No point trying again. Let me just double check what the size of that file is. Get info. There we go. Is that 16 gigs? That would probably be why. Yeah, 16 gigs. That's why. So there we go. We'll get rid of that. Now we know why it's not going to upload. No point carrying on. All right, great. Thank you very much for your understanding. Well, it's Tuesday, June the 11th. Of course, it's a big day tomorrow. We'll be covering it all live, the FOMC report. So on that basis alone, why isn't that running through there? Let me see. I've got a slight technical issue here. Let me see if I can refresh that on the screen. Close player. Live. There we go. That's better. Wonder what was going on there for a moment. Okay, so we've got the FOMC report tomorrow. The bell's about to ring. Let's get ready to rock and roll. As you can see, we're down. No surprise. Everyone's preparing tomorrow. Everything got overbought yesterday. So let's get ready to rumble. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day,
The bell has gone. You can put your name right here, a $20 super chat. You can sponsor the bell with your business or whatever it is you wish to promote. Let's go straight into our positions this morning and see where we are. Okay, here we go. So, first of all, as you can see, we are slightly down today. Not a major deal. We've got the FOMC report tomorrow. Everything's cooling off a little bit. The overall portfolio is down. We are still doing all right, though. 90,746.64, all up from $5,000. Very nice indeed. Get a bit of a pullback. Not of interest at all. If it goes down 10%, of course, I'll buy some more margin. But till then, we shall see what happens. Let's go through all our positions. Let's bring in the live comments. See who's here first. We have got Tim Rogers. Good morning to you. Chris Schultz. Go. Good morning to the family. That's right. Steve Wally. Good morning, everyone. I sent a link to it on YouTube, on Discord. Boss man. Okay, I'll have a look at that. Chris. Hello, can you give us a quick opinion about SOUN? Sorry, I can't at the moment. I've got to focus on my members. If you can become a member, I answer all your questions and do all your requests. But I will come back to you if I can. Octavio, good morning. IBRX, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Angel. Good morning, Lance. Chris Schultz. Virtual shareholder meeting, I meant. John, good luck, everyone. Hey, can you share your opinion on sound? I will come back to you. Understand I have to focus on the members. I'm sure you do. You do understand, which is wonderful. Right, the overall portfolio is just down 0.69. Virgin Galactic is down. We expect it to go down to 50 cents. Palantir is down at the moment, down 0.39. Gold is down. Sorry, it's up slightly, up 0.15. The S&P is down today, 0.39. Not a problem. If it dips 5-10%, I will buy some more. Amazon is up now. We're going up. We're going up. Apple, we're going up. We're going up after yesterday's disappointing presentation. Next year, energy. down today 3.71, but a great dividend there. Enphase Energy is down but now returning. Coca-Cola defensive, selling off. J&J, the best value you've seen for years. It's a $200 stock with the best dividend. It's a dividend king, one of the best dividends in the world for consistency, continually uppaying and improving its output. Chevron on the way down today, oil down. Tesla only worth $110, still too expensive. Rivian down today, but trying to push up. McDonald's is also down. Google is up, just trimming back a bit, up 0.54. Microsoft is down 0.3. Nvidia just selling off a bit. We said it would go down yesterday, and a little rally, and it did exactly what it's supposed to do. It's doing exactly what we expected. Walmart is down today. Staples are down. Tilray Brands, a good time to buy this just before we get we get reclassification. I'm sure it will come before the election. Robinhood going down on red days, it always does. Because the markets are being sold, a brokerage makes less money. It kind of makes sense. IonQ going down today, overpriced anyway. Rocket Lab is down today. Plug Power is under $3 again. Time to buy again. Rumble is down today, 0.52. Funware is down. FFIE has got no value whatsoever. It's rubbish, going to zero. Bitcoin is down 1.4. XRP is down 0.27. 92. And if we look at GameStop, also a junk stock worth absolutely nothing, going down the toilet. 95% of everybody who buys this will lose money. Roaring Kitty doesn't care, but there you go. All right, there's all your updates for this morning of what's going on. Let's come back and see the comments that we missed. Good morning, everyone. G. Carter, good morning to you. I'll hopefully come back to you in a moment. How LTUSK. If you're a YouTuber, I can help you grow. I can get everyone to subscribe to you. I have all sorts of ways to help people. That's what this channel is about. If you become a silver member, you go on the home page of the channel and I help promote your channel. Here is the home page of the channel. Look, there you go. Members, silver members and upwards, we put them on the homepage and we help them grow and get them more subscribers. It's what we do. It's what we do. It's just part of being a member of the family. All right, consider being a member and you'll get 20 times back what you put in. That's why 98% of my live viewers are members, the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. I'm very, very proud of that. Okay, let's have a quick check-in with our Rumble audience. They're live this morning. Sorry, guys, the Lilium broadcast is too large to upload to Rumble. Unfortunately, I can't upload it. And the main broadcast got disconnected from Rumble this morning. So it's all on YouTube. Sorry about that. But I also can't upload it either because it's a 16 gig file. It's too large for Rumble. All right, good morning, good morning, good morning all. Patrick G, good morning to you. John Granfor, good morning to you. Welcome to you. Good morning, time for a nice refreshing cup of tea. I've just drunk it, unfortunately, James. Sorry about that, it's already drunken. John Granford, good morning, Patrick. I'm dedicated today. I'm watching the main channel and the extra channel at the same time. There you go. James 007, if you carry on like this, you might be in to win the trophy for the best of 2024. Absolutely, the most engaged person. There you go. Absolutely. I think everyone should do it. I think everyone should watch both channels at the same time. I think it's a great idea. Double prizes. All right. Is it better to buy before a split or after? Well, that depends if the stock is already overbought. In NVIDIA's case, and that's what you're talking about, right? NVIDIA is overpriced, but it's going back up now, though, if we look at it. When you've got such a high momentum stock that does still have great forecasts, remember, we know that the next earnings is going to be better than this earnings. We know that 100%. We've seen the orders. You've probably got another couple of years growth in NVIDIA. Competition will catch up and they won't be able to dominate forever, but they own the space at the moment. Just be very careful. All right, hit the like button. Absolutely right. Have you tapped the like button yet? Let's have a look. Subscribe and ring the bell. And that would be awesome. and tap the like button. Absolutely right. Let me just make sure I got this right. Yeah, that'll do. Right. Good morning, Steve Lewandowski, our oil man. How are you today? Let's have a quick look here. Good morning, all late today. Jenny, good morning to you. Is it better to buy before a split or after? No, says Mike, talking about Broadcom. Oh, Broadcom. Okay. I've not done enough review. I've never reviewed the stock, so I don't really know. Now look at this. It's really strange because Nvidia is up today, 0.75, but my overall position is down. That just shows you the way that works. Look, you see, defensive stocks are down because high growth is claiming the crown again today. But that's all right. It'll turn around shortly. These are the best 3 YouTube live channels in the world. VLD announced stock splits, down 18% today. Check link in Discord. Okay, so today is going to be a quiet day because tomorrow is FOMC. So the markets are going to be subdued, selling off. No one expects no one expects a rate cut tomorrow. Neither do I. However, I still say in the summer. We are in the summer for another couple of months, of course. So another 2 or 3 months. I still believe that in the summer the rates will come down. We are in the summer now, I know, but still believe it. But not tomorrow. Not tomorrow. That would be a huge surprise if we got it tomorrow. Anyway, good morning, Martin. Please, any comment on Nicola? Thank you. Right, I will try and cover all of these questions. In a minute. I have to focus on the members. William, you're not a member of the channel, of course, so I've got to prioritize that. So let's go through. We've got a few things to do. Because it's going to be quiet, we're going to get back to our reviews today. Anyone that has requested a review, anything like that, we're going to focus on that today. So look out for those questions being answered. So that's that. Plus links for YouTube. So the first thing that we're going to do is I have got to set up my FOMC report tomorrow. So let me do that right now, and then we'll make a video on that. So let's do that first. So duplicate this. It's tomorrow. So let's have a look. FOMC. Oh, hang on a minute. No, don't tell me I did that. I've just realized something. I've just deleted the Lilium video because I couldn't do it to Rumble, so I deleted it. Well, that's not annoying at all. And I've cleared out my trash can as well. Oh, well. No point living on it. It is what it is. Delete video. Yeah. Flipping heck. Oh, well. No point laboring what you can't fix. Just move on. When is my review coming out? Caden, yeah, we just talked about it now. We are doing reviews this morning. So, the first thing we've got to do is FOMC video. FOMC, here we go. Right. So let's do one thing at a time. And we're going to try and do lots of reviews today, keeping an eye on all the news as well. So FOMC report. Fed report. Yeah, Fed report. Fed report. Right, Fed report, FOMC report. Will rates come down? Right, there you go. will the rates come down? That's tomorrow. So we're preparing this now. FOMC report. Now I've got to get the information for tomorrow. Here we go. There's no way at all Nvidia is doing very well, even though the overall markets are down. There's no way we're going to get a rate cut tomorrow. If anybody thinks that, I think you'd be surprised, expecting a lot. No evidence to support that at all. All right, there we go. FOMC. And let's replace this. I need the FOMC. FOMC. Okay. And it will be June the 12th, and it will be at 12:30. We always go just before it starts, 12:30 p.m. Let me just check something. Yes. So 1:30. Yeah. 1:30 is the conference. That's what I thought. Right. Good. 12:30 Fed. Yes. Create the event. Look at Nvidia. The overall portfolio is still going down, though. As I say, it's not all about Nvidia. I'm glad to say, otherwise would be in all kinds of bother if it was. Right. There it is. Now then. Now we've done that, we can create this video for tomorrow. Hopefully you'll all join me for that. Here is the event. You can go and leave what the heck is wrong with that? Let me change that a minute. Right, so come back over to here. We've got reviews, we've got questions all coming up. We're just doing the FOMC report for tomorrow, first of all. Fed. Let me see if I can get a better version of that. FOMC. What's going on here? YouTube, Martyn Lucas Investor, images, thumbnails. Where's my Fed report? Where's that gone? Sorry about this. I just got to get this done first. Seem to have lost my Fed report. I don't know why. Okay, I'll do that later. I don't know why that's happened. Anyway, not to worry. Let's it's fixed itself. Okay, it's fixed itself. So let's have a look at this now. Look at the portfolio dropping, and Nvidia's doing so well. So what is actually going down? Let's see what we can pick up. The overall portfolio, Virgin Galactic, it's all crashing down now. Virgin Galactic going down 50 cents. The S&P going down. Amazon, Apple. So look at that. Apple's firing up after yesterday. Isn't that a mixed bag? It's got to be defensives. Yeah. Best time to buy J&J right now. Coca-Cola's going on sale. Oil, Tesla. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Wow, look at that. Tesla, you got some big drops today, but Nvidia is doing well. Look at that. This is all because of tomorrow. So that's a very interesting situation. Okay, let's do it. What's the time? 20 minutes. FOMC. FOMC 20. Here we go. Yeah, Tim, I understand. I understand you're waiting for a review. I provide it for free well, not for free. Well, sometimes I do, but it's all about how high you super chat. And unfortunately, where are you on the list? Let me just look. Where are you? Just looking down now. Where am I? Just scrolling down. Low, AGNC, Lithium. Why can't I see it? Hang on, just bear with me a second. If you tip like $2 or something like that, unfortunately it is down the, oh there it is. Yeah, $2, Tim. You unfortunately I can't help it that people have tipped 10, 20, 50. I can only do as fast as I can. I understand you've had to wait, but it's $2, and as we grow and get bigger, obviously more people request more. It just means it drops down the list. There's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately, but I just have to prioritize higher super chats. I'm sure you understand that. There isn't really much I can do about that. Otherwise, I would be working 20 hours a day for $2. I just wouldn't be able to do anything. Anyway, I know you understand. So anyway, let me focus on what we're doing right now. Let me just adjust that. Right. FOMC. Here we go. Let's bring that up as well. Oh, okay. Now it jumps to second place. Fed rate decision. Now it jumps to second place. Thank you so much indeed. I'm not trying to get you to give me more money. I'm just telling you I can't physically do anymore. Right, okay, so let's have a look. FOMC. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. The time has come once again for those very important FOMC reports. We're going to cover it live tomorrow. Here it is, the Fed FOMC report. You can already go to this video and leave a comment, a like. You can share it. You can click the bell so you're reminded of it. That's happening tomorrow. You cannot afford to miss it. The markets are a very mixed bag today. They're selling off. No surprise. We're not expecting a rate cut. We've had a rally the last couple of days as we have the last few months. My portfolio is all-time highs at 90,452. Absolutely wonderful, right? Looking really good. But the S&P is down. But it's a mixed bag. What might we get tomorrow? If we go through the portfolio, you'll see things with no money in high debt. They're falling through the floor. Virgin Galactic about to hit 50 cents. The S&P is going down but recovering. Amazon is down, trying to push up. Apple, though, on the other hand, is up. Tesla Tesla, no surprise, it's only worth $110. We've said it over and over again. You can buy all you like, but at the end of the day, it's only worth $110.
Tim Rogers donated $10 through a super chat.
Thank you very much indeed, Tim. He wants a review, which I will be doing very, very soon now. Nvidia is going up as well, but overall, things are down today. No surprise, tomorrow is going to be a very volatile day. We like it. It's what it's all about. Right, let me give you the projections for tomorrow. And before I do, please, if you wouldn't mind, tap in the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. There you go. Tap the subscribe button and give us a like. All right, here we go. So let's see what we might get tomorrow. I have said now for nearly 2 years, at least a year and a half, rates will come down in the summer. I believe that. I absolutely believe that. But tomorrow, not a chance in hell. Let's read the data that we have expected for tomorrow. Let me zoom it in as much as possible. I know you're trying to read off the screen. Fed policymakers continue to expect the inflation would return to 2% over the medium term, although recent data has not increased their confidence in progress towards the target. Minutes from the April 30th, May 1st FOMC meeting showed minutes don't do anything for me whatsoever. We already know this. This just repeats what we already know, and it's an opportunity for markets to react and dump and buy back. So not concerned about the minutes at all. The officials suggested that the disinflation process would likely take longer than previously thought, and some suggested a willingness to tighten policy further should risks to inflation materialize. There's no reason why the Fed need to raise rates. Rates have come down in Canada. Rates have come down in Europe. There's no reason to raise rates. You are putting pressure on the system by holding rates up for longer. There's no need to raise rates. Rates going up would be very, very negative for the markets, negative for everybody, and there really is no need. We can do the same damage just by holding rates for longer. So anyway, that's what I think anyway. As a result, maintaining the current target rate range for the federal funds rate at 5.25 to 5.5 was supported by intermeeting data. The dot plot, that's what we're talking about, indicating continued solid growth. The Federal Reserve kept the target range for the federal funds rate unchanged at 5.25 to 5.5 during its May meeting for the 6th consecutive time, as ongoing inflationary pressure and a tight labor market indicate a stall in progress towards bringing inflation back down to its 2% target. Now, we need to be absolutely clear. The measures that have been taken by the Fed take time, and they are lagging, all right? If you look at many of the metrics around the world, it's very apparent that the Fed is using an out-of-date system, the way to measure the economy. Other economies around the world, in Europe and in Canada, they're using forward-looking metrics. The Fed is using backward-looking metrics. So even though they think that things aren't doing that well, they're actually doing better than they think they are. And I don't believe there's any reason to have rates go up whatsoever. Anyway, so there it is. There's our position right now. So join us tomorrow for the Fed report. It's one you cannot afford to miss. We cover all of these live. They're very, very important. And the meeting afterwards, there will be lots of volatility tomorrow. I love it. I hope the markets crash 10%. I will spend more on margin and do exactly what I've been doing the last few months and the last year. And then it'll all bounce back again. I'm absolutely 100% confident about that. So join us tomorrow. You can click above my head for all the links. martynlucas.com. You'll find all the links on my social media. I will comment to everybody that's a member, and there's the VIP club where we got in-person meetings coming up once we get a number of people that are in our 2-year founder club. We're going to be very excited about that. I'm meeting up with Zach Zate this Christmas, so it's all starting to happen for the VIP club. Very, very exciting. Click above my head for all the links. Down below in the description, I'll also post the link for tomorrow, and over here I'll put the FOMC event here and a playlist that I think would be suitable down here. Check it out. Join us tomorrow. FOMC report, always a lively one. Take care of yourselves and each other. Now then, I'm going to give everybody the link right now in the chat. If you want to go and leave a comment there, you can already. All right, let me get rid of that. Let me jump into Rumble. Let me give you all the link, the event for it as well. Nice Rumble audience today. Welcome to all of you. The extra channel is busy. Let's have a quick look. In the extra channel, very busy today. You can see that everyone's a member. Fantastic. I want to thank everyone. We've just reached a new milestone. We've got now 100 members in the extra channel. We're going up every single month, and we've just reached 300 members now on the main channel. We're going up absolutely everywhere, consistently all the time. So thank you so much indeed for your support. 100 members now in the extra channel. Absolutely fantastic. All right, let's move on. Okay. We've got, unfortunately, Bill has become a troll and very negative now, and sadly he's taken the dark path of being very negative and pretending to be other YouTubers. Very sad situation. We're not keeps people from watching. It doesn't keep anybody from watching at all, Bill. It's not true at all. You can watch for free. You don't have to be a member. We're just in members mode so I can answer everyone's questions. You can watch every day for free, so that's not true. Very sorry that you have taken the dark road of depression. We can't help you. We've tried, and those bridges are now burned. Anyway, let's carry on. Let's have a little look. Now then, we've done the FOMC. That's important. Make sure we've covered all of that. Covered all of that. Covered all of that. Okay. Right then. Let's move to the comments. Right. Martyn, we know that you're S&P 500. Do you have thoughts on the dividend aristocrats versus dividend kings? I have never really looked at that. Do you have a thought either way on dividend aristocrats versus dividend kings? I didn't know there was a thing, honestly, Tim. I've never heard of that. Honestly, I've never heard of that. Right, let me focus on your links now. Is it time to buy Tilray or wait? I think Tilray is a good buy now because we expect to get legislation through Parliament. That's the UK. Through Congress before the election. Okay, here we go. Iberian Wolf. We're going to do the questions, the initial questions. Then we're going to move on to reviews. And we've got to focus on that now. So quickly, first of all, let me go into links for YouTube. Here we go. So if you want me to cover your favorite stock on the show, go links for YouTube and I will cover it. So what have we got this morning? Today. Right. Chris Schultz. Chris Schultz has given me one. Immunity Bio is hosting a shareholder meeting Tuesday, June the 11th. That's today. 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. We don't have an audience, a big enough audience for that, Chris. If you do a decent super chat, I will cover it live if you want me to promote it and cover it live. But we don't really have we don't really have a big enough audience for me to warrant coming on at 11:30, which is in between the opening and closing bell. So I won't be covering that. If you really want it, you'd have to do at least a $20 super chat, because, be honestly, it's would be extra time. It's not really worth my while to cover that. Not enough people watch that. But if you really want it, I would. But because you're a member, but I can't cover it otherwise. Since we would trend, yeah, I mean, yes, we do rank number 1 for the stock, but we don't get that many views. Each video doesn't earn me more than $1. So to spend my lunch break doing a live broadcast for $1 isn't really worth it. But I would, if you really wanted me to, and you gave me a great super chat, I would cover it for you. But otherwise, no. Mr. Mankey, what have we got here? We've got some latest news. Okay. That's a bit of a breaking news story. Let's have a look at this. Okay. Just out, Mr. Mankey. That's big news. Okay, I'll cover that. Okay, here we go. Let's do that then. The time is 36 minutes. TLRY, SNDL, and what did I just say? I just said it and completely forgot it straight away. 36. Okay, 36. Mr. Mankey, thank you for this. Just quickly, TLRY. Good time to buy, I think, just before the dawn. Right, there we go. Okay, let's do this now. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, SNDL and TLRY, Tilray brands. We've got some interesting news. A very, very quick breaking news story sent in by one of my members. If you're one of my members, you can send stuff in and I will check it and review it and report on it. And we do rank number 1 for these stocks, Tilray and SNDL. So it does draw a lot of attention to it. If you are an investor, you'll appreciate that. Look at this, just been sent in just a few moments ago. Ohio recreational sales to begin by the end of June, possibly next week. Licensed recreational sales will begin for the first time in Ohio history before the end of June, possibly as soon as next week. Wow, look at that. That's something of a surprise. Not really, though, because we know it's going to get passed, or we believe so, before the election. On Friday, Ohio's Division of Control began accepting applications from currently operating medical dispensaries seeking licenses to participate in the state's recreational industry. This allow them to sell products to patients as well as to anyone 21 and older. According to State Representative Jamie Callender, chair of the Joint Committee on Agency Rule Review, which is the rulemaking committee for Ohio's Department of Control, licenses are expected to be approved and sales are expected to begin by the end of June, possibly as soon as next week. Wow, that's something right there. Okay, it's just a very, very quick report. We've got lots of messages to put out today for people, but I just wanted to bring that to your attention. That is a very, very good news today. No surprise there. at all. We knew it was coming, and this is a good time to get in. If you like this story and this is interests you, click above my head for all the links, martynlucas.com. You'll find all my links to all the free stocks we give away and all the referrals and all that stuff, Alpha Spread, my X account and all that good stuff. And if you look below in the description, you'll find it there as well. Over here, an event you must see tomorrow. It's the Fed report, FOMC report. You must see it tomorrow. And down here, the playlist that I think will interest you most. All right, that's it from me. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, Mr. Mankey, thank you for yours. Iberian Wolf. Okay. Velo 3D. These are all the things that we rank for number one on YouTube. Velo 3D. Okay. Velo 3D. Okay. $3D. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Velo 3D, ticker symbol VLD, just before the Fed report. Everything's down today, and the stock is down 18, nearly 19% today. Why? Do you want to know why? Well, tap the like button and consider subscribing, and I will tell you exactly why. This was just sent in by Iberian Wolf, one of our members. If you are a member to our channel, we will do reviews for you and update information. So what have we got? I'm going to share with you very quickly as well the values here. It seems to be worth 35 cents intrinsic value, which means it's undervalued by 66%, but we do have a warning. It's not an accurate intrinsic value. Everything else here looking bad apart from operating cash flow, which is up 10%. The balance sheet, 136 million and 90 million liabilities, of which long-term debt is 2.2. So the balance sheet isn't disastrous. If we scroll down, 45% solvency, 24% profitability. But what is the news? Why is this happening? Well, it's because today we've had a reverse split. Very rarely does this end well for a company, just let you know. Velo 3D announces reverse stock split. This is just out just some moments ago. It's brand new information. And of course, now the stock has gone down. It's overreacted though. 19% is an overreaction on this. So it might be an opportunity to buy, particularly because we've got all the markets down today. FOMC report tomorrow. So this could be an opportunity to buy a stock on a discount. If we look at it here, a leading metal additive manufacturing technology company for mission critical parts today announced that today announced that its board of directors has approved a 1-for-35 reverse stock split for the company's common stock. This is to get the stock above the $1. This is not good though, all right? It's not good sentiment. However, an overreaction plus on a heavy day today, so it could very well be an opportunity to buy. All right, if you like this stock, the common stock will open for trading on New York Stock Exchanges on Thursday, June the 13th, on a split-adjusted basis under the current trading symbol VLD. In connection with the reverse split, the CUSIP numbers for the company's common stock will change to that number there. The reverse split is intended to enable Velo 3D to regain compliance. Okay, that's what it's all about. So that's what's happened, but if you like this sector, we've covered it before. We've covered the earnings. Solvency 45%, not going bust. If we give you, there's very little information from Wall Street. If we show you the trading position, you can see here that insiders have been selling. They knew this was coming, but the selling has been going consistently down. So we know what comes next. Insiders buying. So you want to buy before they're buying. So this could be very, very interesting today. There could be an opportunity here for you to get a stock at a discount. Things are down today because of FOMC. However, this is an overreaction to the reverse split. Could be a good opportunity if you like the sector. Click above my head, martynlucas.com, for all the links. You'll find all my referrals. Alpha Spread, that's the software I've just been using. My members get a lifetime discount of that. You might appreciate that, which basically makes my membership for free. I use it all the time. I think it's the best system to analyze stocks there is. Way better than the competition. Go down below in the description as well, and you will find it here pinned to the top. And over here, I'll put the FOMC report tomorrow. You have to watch that. This is very important, and you can trade this stock on that report, particularly the meeting afterwards, the Q&A from press. Down here, I've got a Velo 3D playlist. You might want to check that out with all the news, earnings, and everything updated in there. All right, that's it from me. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Good morning, William. I've got to focus on the members right now. How about the music channel? Yes. Let's have a little look. Mike, switch over. This is really good. I'll refresh the screen so you can see this. My latest song, which I hoped would do well. Look, I've got the confetti. It's my #1 out of the last 10. 83 is good. I know it doesn't sound very much, but for my channel, it's good. Hence why YouTube has given me the confetti. You got to compare yourself with yourself. There's no point going, well, when Michael Jackson brings out a video, he gets 10 million. It doesn't count. You got to look at yourself. It's like everything in life. If you are growing, it doesn't matter how slow you are growing. If you are growing, you are growing. If you're improving, you're improving. It doesn't matter. So there you go. I've recorded a brand new song, and average view duration is 3 minutes, which is fantastic, which means people are watching it nearly all the way through, which is great. Really great. Really great. So I'm very happy with that. So you asked about the numbers. We are getting there over 365 days, which is what's important. 3,600 now, coming up to 3,700. So we're getting there. Look at that. You can see how it's growing. Look, you see how it's trending up. And what you're looking for isn't just these peaks. This is what you're looking for, that it doesn't drop to the bottom line. See, since May, there's an empty space here. That's real growth. That's the best my channel's been forever, really. And what's important is this. New viewers. There's all of you in purple. New viewers are finding my music and they're subscribing. Because if I show you the, where is it? Analytics. Go to analytics, live count. Look at my subscribers. People are actually enjoying the music and subscribing, which is great. I've not had this for years. I've not had this for like ages, like the longest time. So thank you very much, Mike, for asking. For those of you wondering what's going on, this is my music channel. I'm the World Piano Man, and I've just dropped the music channel in there. For concerts every Friday, special videos come out. I do all kinds of special things, and there you go. Please do check that out. All right, Lilium news in YouTube links. Here we go. Rocket Lab signs preliminary deal. Rocket Lab. Links for YouTube. Rocket Lab. John, Lilium news in YouTube links. This isn't Lilium. This is Rocket Lab. I can only give you one. So this is the one you want me to do? Because I've got to move on. I've got reviews I've got to do, paid reviews. So I'll give you 30 seconds. Is this the one you want? This looks like Rocket Lab does a deal here. I can cover it, but you wanted Lilium. I'll give you just 1 minute to check that. When is my review coming out? I'm doing reviews in a moment, Caden. I've answered that question. Martin, we know you are in the S&P, but no, I have no opinion on that. What would you do if you had 3,000 shares in Soundhound at 525 average? Where's your stop loss? I don't believe in stop losses. I think stop losses are a really bad idea. If you own the company and you believe in the company, stop losses can end up costing you money. People use stop losses to stop them losing money. However, they're using charts and they don't. That's all they've got, and they'll put a stop loss on. The stock will sell, and then it goes up, and you've missed out. I don't like stop losses. It's a lazy way of investing. If you bought the business because you like the business, you hold and you buy more when it goes down. Stop losses are very, very dangerous things. They're very easy, automatic. Remember, stop losses make the brokerage money. When you trade, they make money. A lot of people have lots of automated trades, and sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. The brokerage always win. So just bear that in mind. I don't like that stuff. Quick note update on business review, Ultravia International Super Chat. Yeah, I've just answered that one. Thank you, Tim. Apple is rebounding. We're going to have to scroll to the bottom in a minute. Why is everything selling off? Because of FOMC report tomorrow. 11% increase. 11% increase on all firearms. Radiant smile. Thank you for that. US don't want guns in citizens' hands. Martin, time for a Fed poll. Rate cut question. All right. Okay. Mitch ML. Mitch, can you repeat that? I need to just check if you are a member. I can't search that far back now. I can't see you, Mitch ML. Where are you? Mitch, if you are a member of the channel, just repeat that and I'll do it for you. I can't see if you're a member or not. Rocket Lab funding news in YouTube. Rocket Lab funding news. There's the one you want, is it? All right. Lilium. Okay. You want the Lilium one? Okay. I've got to limit it a bit. I do cover everyone's questions, but I can't do everything for everybody. I'd never get anything done. Okay. LIM news. These will go out as videos later. We're going to go members only mode in a moment, just so I can see. In fact, I'm going to go members only mode now because I'm getting too many questions I can't answer. That's the only reason why I go members only mode. Despite what Bill, who's become a troll, says, we do it to give a better service. He refuses to be a member, so he gets all gripey about it. But that's too bad. We're here for the best service, not for negative sentiment. Right, let's have a look here. We've done that. Right. Rocket Lab. Lilium. LILM. And this is important as we just covered the Lilium earnings. I have owned tobacco companies for over 10 years for dividends growth. Stock appreciation is slow, but the dividends are king. I enjoyed your analysis. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for the review. I have owned both tobacco companies for over 10 years for dividends growth. Stock appreciation is slow, but the dividends are king. I appreciate your analysis work. Thank you very much, Henrik Hyatt. Mike, you give your opinion on Sounddown. I think I just answered that one. Moving today, eagerly awaiting virtual shareholder meeting. Everyone, please support my store. If you email me, I can do anything. Custom, also on Facebook. There you go. Let's go, Stacey Bailey. Stacey, if you ever want to do a big promotion, you can become a sponsor for a month, and I can run commercials. I can do special videos, links to your business. You can sponsor a giveaway. There's all kinds of stuff. If you really want to promote a website, I can get you to rank #1 on Google within weeks. That's easy. I've done that for lots of people where I've got them to rank #1 on Google by running videos that link to you. And if you be a sponsor, I can talk to you about that. It's the $99. You can always downgrade. You could do it for 1 month or whatever. Anyway, the Hustle Brothers Rocket Lab funding link. John G, how would you know about delisting of ASTI? Stacey, selfless promoter much. Adam, it's fine. We let our members do that. We're here to help people. We're absolutely fine. We help people grow. Everyone grows together. It's all being a while since I hope doing well. Chris Hargreaves, yes. How are you? Lovely to see you here. Just seen the news that broke. I think it's really good considering they acquired for 80 million already. Thank you. Absolutely. Just trying to help, brother. Absolutely. I know that. John, I'd like to buy some of the new low price. Was just bringing the update since it was trending here. Good morning. GME earnings tonight. GME earnings tonight. Really? GameStop earnings tonight. No, it's not. That's not true at all. Why would someone say that? GameStop earnings tonight. No, it's not. The GameStop earnings has already occurred. And it missed on earnings and lost money. So I don't know what you mean. It just happened. It was expected to lose 9 cents. It lost 12. So yeah, disastrous. Stock's going to zero. It's soaring now. Good luck. Let me just check some extra information. Just bear with me a second. Trying to get through all these questions and comments. GameStop earnings call 2024. Yeah, September the 4th. Yeah, discloses first quarter results, June 7th. Net losses. First quarter results, net losses. Okay. 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 Lilium news. GME earnings. Time. Time. 58 minutes. 58. Okay, here we go. Okay. GME. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. GameStop, GME, just reported a dire earnings. I'm going to give you the numbers now and share with you exactly what's going on here. And now, if you are gambling with this stock, you've got even less of a chance of getting your money out. It doesn't matter what Roaring Kitty or anybody else tells you. This stock is getting worse and worse and worse. Here is the earnings. They expected to lose 9 cents a share, and they lost 12 cents a share. As you can see, it's one of their worst earnings. See here, this is the earnings. We've got people reporting saying the earnings is just is happening tonight. It's not. It's already happened. A lot of false information, as always, around this stock. The stock has lost money. It's losing money. It's a terrible miss. It's its lowest for, well, a couple of years, actually. So also, I want to give you these numbers over here. The net sales, if I know it's quite small to see, I apologize for that. They've used very small text. I'll zoom in as much as I can. But net sales were 0.8 million. That's, 0.8 billion for the first quarter compared to 1.23 billion in the prior year's first quarter. So a massive loss there. Selling general expenses were 295.1 million, or 33% of net sales for the first quarter, compared to 345 million, or 27% of net sales in the prior year. Net loss, they've lost $32 million for the first quarter, just in a quarter, compared to the net loss of $50 million for the prior year's first quarter. Cash equivalents and marketable securities are at $1 billion at the close of the quarter. Long-term debt remains limited to a low-interest, unsecured term loan associated with the French government's response to COVID-19. But of course, that rate is going to come to an end, and when it does, the debt for the debt for GameStop will go through the roof. So be very, very careful if you are buying GameStop. If you look at it, there's no upward trajectory at all now. This is when Roaring Kitty started his campaign. That's when I started making videos saying it's all going down the toilet, it's all going to rubbish. Anyone who buys it is going to lose all their money. Literally, I started making videos here, and ever since I did, it's been going down and down and down, and people keep saying it's great. Roaring Kitty goes live, and it goes down and down and down, and it keeps on trending down. Anyway, there it is. That's what's happening with GameStop. No matter which month, the week, day you look at it, the pop happened. Most people who bought here now have lost a lot of money following Roaring Kitty and others who want to promote this. But just be aware, even though people are saying the earnings is out tonight, it's not out tonight. It's already happened. The stock price, the earnings report is one of its worst in over 18 months. It was only worse back in 2022. So there's no upward trajectory for this. The stock is worth nothing. Its debt crisis will get dramatically worse when the rate discount goes away. And there's nowhere for this stock to go but down. It doesn't do anything. All right. Anyway, be very careful if you are following the leader with this stock. 99% of you are going to lose money. There's no doubt about that. Click above my head for all the links, martynlucas.com, all my alpha spread, all my free stocks that I give away, all my partnerships. Everything's there for you. Go and check it out. Down below in the description over here, I'll put more videos for you that you might find interesting. Go and check that out. And down here, I'll also put a playlist that I think you'll find interesting as well. So over here and down here, 2 video playlists you'll find interesting. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, get rid of that. Right, now where is this? Let's put this over here a minute. Drag this over here. All right, let me zoom this in. Okay, that'll do. Right. Okay. A special shout out today and a big thank you to Omar, and a big warning to all of you that are investing in GameStop. We've just seen a disastrous earnings, its worst in nearly 18 months, approaching 2 years, and its debt discount about to expire. So its debt's going to expire. Its debt situation is going to go up as well. FIE is following it. We've got the FOMC report tomorrow, so a lot of down pressure on the markets. These stocks, FFIE is going to zero, and GameStop, 98% of you, 99% of you are going to lose money. But I want to share this with you. Omar, a very successful YouTuber who has a very large following. I've talked about it. It's a bit of a scary following, really. It's more like a cult following, really. He likes to look at ghost hunting, and he's got a very strong religious element of God will save you from your stocks scenario. Very dangerous thing to spread around to your viewers, but he does believe in that. I can't say I believe in that, because if God is going to save you for your trades that you're making when you're gambling, then he equally wants the people that you're gambling against to lose. So I kind of doesn't really make any sense to me. But I wanted to give him a shout out because he popped into my channel last night, and he left me a very nice comment. This is here. Omar's got 4.5 million subscribers on this channel, and he left me a comment. So what I decided to do in honor of that, it's always special when someone does, pay you a nice compliment. It is nice. So what I did, I went over to my music channel and I recorded, because he was mentioning a brother and he was talking about brothers and all this kind of stuff. So I recorded this last night and dedicated it to Omar. This is an unplugged version of He Ain't Heavy, He's My Brother. I'll give you a little quick glimpse here. That leads us to who? There's just a little bit there I recorded, and just put that out as a thank you to Omar for mentioning brother to me and coming in. So I recorded this yesterday special. So there you go. Be very careful with GameStop today. It very likely could continue its downward trend with the FOMC report tomorrow. It's following FFIE down to zero. That is going to zero. Most of you are going to lose your money now. Be very, very careful if you think that you're going to stuff it to whoever it is you're trying to stuff it to. It's not going to save you right now, so be careful. If you want to go and check out all my links, go and check out above my head. I'll also post a link to He Ain't Heavy, He's My Brother, and it was done for Omar with references there, and he's watched it and commented on it, I believe. So go and check that out, see what he has to say about that. Down below in the description, I'll also pin it there, and I'll put the song just here. If you want to go and check out the song as recorded and dedicated to Omar, go and check it out. And down here, I'll put the GameStop playlist with all the news information. Be very careful if you are investing in this. It really is all out gambling, and it doesn't matter who your God is, whoever he might be. He's not going to save you from gambling. I'm pretty confident in that. Anyway, I wish everyone the best. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. Let me just double check something a minute. That's not right. Switch that. Switch account. Oh, no, that's right. Content. Video. How come? Change. Let's have a look. See if that's fixed it. What is going on here? Okay, just bear with me a moment. More questions coming up. Save as. Okay. As you can see, GameStop, as we talk about it, and Faraday all going down to nothing, essentially. Change that. Very odd. All right, what's next? How many likes have we got on the video so far? 27. Thank you very much, guys. Let me carry on with the questions then. Omar did that. So GameStop. Earnings, we just covered that. I think the next few months are going to be massive for Rocket Lab. Thanks for all the million for the info, John. Could be. Move up. Thank you, John. Adam, I do not appreciate that comment at all. That is rude. You're not a member, and I was addressing the Lucas Ace family. I forgive you being rude, though. Have a great day. Yeah, I mean, all my members here are welcome to use our service. We're all a family. We all help each other. Everyone grows together. It's what it's all about. Always. Too bad mods comments can't be deleted. They should know better than to promote their business without. No, Nee, I don't mind. I am here to help people. They don't have to ask my permission. We're a family. This show was built to help people. It's what we do. I know a lot of people that who have, been angry towards me, who follow Omar and GameStop and Faraday. They cannot understand why someone would just want to help people. And what's in it for you? There isn't. I couldn't care less. I like helping people. Yeah, we will help you. Absolutely. Hustle Brothers. He promotes his YouTube channel as well. It's fine. Anyway. Are you silver members? No, they're not silver members. But Stacey Bailey has tipped me $100 super chats. She watches every show. She's a moderator. She provides great service. She watches all my music channels to promote, to help me there. She provides great content. She calls in live to the show. Everyone works together, Nee. I know it's unusual. A lot of people do YouTube. It's all about themselves, but here it's all about the viewer, and you can be part of that family too. Probably bad time for retirement funds. Too many residential changes happening. Retirement funds, not really. It's an opportunity to buy more and hold. Let's have a look. Stacey Bailey, coolest member ever. Oh, gold member actually on both channels. There you go. Gold member on both channels. There you go. Look at that. She's a gold member on both channels. So, yeah. In fact, as I do that, let me just do that a second. That is really, really annoying. I don't know why that's doing that. Anyway, I can't do much about it now. Switch account, investor. I know we've got reviews to do, guys. I'm just getting through our comments. I'm not going to miss anyone out. Here we go. Let's have a quick look at this. This is important. Members. See your members. Gold. Current level. Gold. Stacey, I just thought I'd check that. You're not a gold member. I just wanted to, because I was thinking, are you a gold member? You're not a gold member, actually. You're a gold member on the extra channel. I just wanted to check that because there are extra benefits that you get, and I thought I've not been giving you those benefits. So these are our gold members: Ahmad Shaban, Thomas Khalees, who's been for 6 months now, Amando Gonzalez for 2 months, Carlon D. Ross for 2 months, Jose Quintana for 6 months, Jason Fallon for a year, nearly 2, and KK2 more than 2 years now. KK2 is our biggest ever gold member. He's been a member now for 28 months. Look at that. KK2 has been a gold member for coming up to the next milestone, 3 years. Let me see who our silver members are. Whoops-a-daisy. I checked that when Stacey said that because I offer services to my gold members, and I didn't think I was sending you stuff. Martin Redding, TJ, these are our silver members. Hustle Brothers, Team, Thomas Wood, Von Clark, Takuma Seth, G.I. Deep, Ed Nevius, Ion P, Ian Smith, Rapid City, Scolding Hot, Stacey Bailey, there you go. Stacey Bailey for 2 months now has been a silver member. There you go. So she is a silver member. And by the way, Stacey, as a silver member, you can go on the homepage of the channel if you want to as well to promote a YouTube channel. Just let you know that's something that you can have. Go Stacey. Hi Martin. Do you have Lilium stocks? How do you think Lilium stock price will be in 25? I think Lilium's going to be great in a couple of years. No, I don't own it for the very reason I only own the S&P, so you know that I am not pumping and dumping stocks. See, everything's coming back now. See, GameStop is going down. Lilium, FFIE is going down, and everything else is bouncing back. It's bouncing back for tomorrow's FOMC. So Lilium, this is now for John Granfor, L-I-L-M. L-I-L-M. Here we go. The time is 1:18. 1:18. Lilium. Okay. So John, this is for you. John Granfor and John Petter, you'll like it as well. If Martyn is telling he's only trading the S&P, does he mean the index or companies in that index? No, VOO. I buy the S&P via VOO. It's the most cost-effective way of doing it, and I own VOO. If I was trading millions of times a day, I would use SPY. Thank you, John. Here comes your comment now, your news story. Becky, you replied to one of the comments last night saying about YouTube taking 30%. They don't take 30%. They take 17% of my super chat. So it's absolutely fine doing super chats. If you mentioned in a video about PayPal, I do have PayPal. It's below every video here in the comments, and it is Martyn at martynlucas.com, as you'd expect. So all of my emails, and they're all the same, Martyn at martynlucas.com. But feel free, I always want it to be the best service. If you gave me a super chat via PayPal, it's not very fun for you because you just do it and I say thank you, which is nice, and it goes into the studio. Right now I've got to repair a few things, so that's where it will go. But if you do super chats, it is visually expressed on the screen, so it's more enjoyable for you, I think, more engaging. And I don't mind that YouTube takes some commission. It's fine. It's how the system works. They handle the credit card fees, the payment processing. It's fine. And then I get paid every month. There's no fees to transfer the money. It's great. But anyway, thank you for your question. Save the music. Streaming on 2 devices. Thank you. Join the family. Great song, Martyn. Thank you. He ain't heavy. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Getting through these comments now. AI music is the future, innovation, growth. Bob, this guy told us bad stock W for 3 years. He's still acting like a genius. Bob isn't being honest at all. I started with $5,000 and I'm now at 90,856. I've never shorted a stock. I've never done options. So I don't know if that's not very good, then fine. Clearly you've done better than me. But I think 5,000 to 90,000 in just under 3 years when I've never done options, I've never done shorts, I think it's pretty good. And I never said I'm a genius. You did. So thank you very much for the backward compliment. All right, good. I had the same feeling when YouTubers whine a lot about it, so it got me scared. Thanks for the tip. All right, good. I had the same feeling, but many YouTubers whine about it. I don't whine about anything, and I'm not a YouTuber either. And I'm not going to explain that why. I've already explained it many, many times. Okay, Martyn, I reposted it, done it. BlackBerry, that company brought it. I'm just getting through. If you support NVIDIA and AI, so like you support AI-produced music. Well, yeah. I mean, nobody buys BlackBerry. People are slaves to Apple. Are they? Okay. Always looking to grow and improve the company. They're increasing the payout on trade-ins. Yeah, great. But the business is losing more and more money. So, headquartered in Dallas. I know the headquarters. I live in Dallas. I'm literally down the road from GameStop. I know where they are. I've been in contact with them. I've got friends on Twitter, X, and Instagram. I speak to them. I've asked Ryan Cohen for an interview. The business is not doing anything, and it doesn't appreciate the meme trade either. Very quick at the moment. I'm posting with members. No, they're trying to. Great job, Stacy. At this rate, I won't be able to afford stock review. It used to be 5, and now the minimum is 10. No, it's not. It's not a minimum is 10. It's whatever you want. I will, if the list gets too big, I will stop doing these live Q&As and just do reviews. I also do members days, so don't worry about that. Why are you a member if you have to pay for reviews? Well, Ramesh, the reason why you're a member is, first of all, most people are members to support the live streams because they appreciate the live shows 12 hours a day. That's the biggest reason. I don't make money from live streams. I make money from videos. So most people become members to support the live streams they appreciate, like Netflix. They get a live show 12 hours a day. That's the first thing. It also provides the extra channel where they can talk to each other 12 hours a day live, and that's only 99 cents. Also, if you're a member, you get members only live streams, members only videos, members only live chats. I will help you grow. I'll help you build a business, like Stacey now wants to sell some products. I will put you on the homepage of my channel. I will review stocks for you. I will do earnings for you. I will answer all your questions. I speak to you live in the show like I am now. I will cover your news like I've been doing all morning. I've made Tilray, SNDL, Velo 3D, Lilium, GameStop, and another Lilium one about to happen now. All for members this morning. You get free songs in the Friday night concert. We celebrate your birthday. There are giveaways. There's a newsletter. All of that you get for free as a member. And there are many other things like Discord. You get training from Ed Nevius. The list goes. You can phone into the show.
Becky donated $40 through a super chat. Okay, Martin, I'll get over Google taking their share. Maybe take your wife out to lunch.
I will certainly do that. Leah, Becky has just donated $40 and wants me to take you out for dinner tonight. So that's very, very kind. Becky, thank you. Yeah, don't be upset about that. I just live with that, and it's most appreciated. That's very, very kind. Channel is exponentially increasing. Well, we are growing everywhere. But one thing I've always promised is there's no inflation here ever. The memberships will never, ever go up in price, ever. They haven't changed in 3 years. Not one single membership has gone up in 3 years. Not one. And they never will be. Ever. I will always, however, offer more and more services. One of the mods said, I can't have a birthday song request. Yes, they can. Every single member can have a birthday song and a free song in the concert on Friday. Does that require extra? No. I wanted a song for a colleague special day. But you can't be a member here and then expect me to do it for somebody else. No, it's Ramesh, it's for you. As a member, if it's your birthday, you can have a birthday celebrated, not your mate down the road. Otherwise, everybody will come on every day and go, I've got a mate. I'll be doing birthdays 24 hours a day. Hello, everyone. So I've been out. I've been busy. I've been very sick and having to work with being sick. Can't multitask, work, be here like I normally do. Just thought I'd let some of you know. Oh, I'm so glad. We wonder where you were. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Yeah. Ready? Copy and paste. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. I made a mess of that. All right. I made a mess of it. That's how it goes sometimes. Hi, Seth. A disclosure before signing up would be nice. Everything is in the... first of all, you don't sign up anything. You become a member and you can cancel whenever you like. You're not restricted or signed up for anything. You can delete and being a membership whenever you like. And it is all in the membership video if you watch it, and it's also in all the membership information on the membership page if you read it. But I give a lot more things that aren't even on the list because I can't fit them all in. So anyway, there you go. If you watch the show, you would know Martyn does a lot of his members. There's a lot of us trying to be patient. If he doesn't get to you, try asking again. Absolutely. Martyn's just afraid of the saucepan. Physical abuse isn't discipline. And if we get too many requests, I just do members-only videos, members-only live streams. I will filter it down so everybody will get all their stuff. Okay, well, I'm going to do this now on the right channel. I'm not sure I know what you mean, but there's the membership link, if that's what you're asking, Stacey. I know you're not a liar, Stacey. You just made a mistake, that's all. But I have to clarify it because there's services that I can provide to you that I wasn't, and I didn't think I was, and I know I wasn't, and I checked, and now I know I wasn't doing it. But I wasn't doing it because you wasn't a gold member. So it's all good. All right. Anybody else? Spikes. It's correct. Exercising on large. Those gaps get filled. Don't focus on all that gap stuff. The stock doesn't know you own it. It doesn't know it's on a chart. You're really gambling if you're using GameStop, looking at the gaps to be filled. The stock has got no value.
James 007, Great Britain, donated £2 through a super chat. I heart the Lucas Aid family. Positive energy, crystal ball, heart, gold medal, coffee, A-OK hand.
I wish I could help it, but when you're a part of your own business, you got to do what you got. Hey, I know, mate. Can you imagine in October when I take a break? I haven't had a break for 2 years, and I plan on being off in October. And I will lose my entire month's wages in October. I just hope everybody will be a member for the month without cancelling and wait for me to come back because I'll lose memberships as well. Right. Everybody, copy and paste. Get well, Seth. What's wrong with you, you miserable sods? How come no one did it? I'm the only one. John Granfort. Right. John, we finally got through all the comments. So here we go. A promise is always delivered here. Always. No one gets left behind. No one gets ignored. It just might take some time. And here we go. 132. John Granfort. Next one. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We've just covered the earnings. If you want to see that, click above my head. Down below in the description, you'll have the link for the earnings. You might want to go and check it out. In the meantime, I've got some news for you. Do you want some news? Well, I'm only going to give you the news if you tap the like button. If not, you ain't going to get it. All right, so let's go over now and have a look at this news. Just out, just been sent in. It's brand new news as of last night, sent in by John Granfort. Thank you, John. Lilium launches China legal entity as part of collaboration with the BIOS on district in Shenzhen. Collaboration will establish Lilium as an active industry player in the region's low-altitude economy. Lilium is the first European eVTOL manufacturer selected to operate in the district. Agreement builds upon a memorandum of understanding signed last year and will see Lilium establish a regional headquarters in the district. Let's have a look here. Developer of first all-electric vertical takeoff eVTOL jet and global pioneer in regional air mobility (RAM) has signed a collaboration agreement with the Shenzhen's based Biome District. I've been there. It's very nice. Under the agreement, Lilium has established its APAC regional headquarters in the district by way of recently created Chinese entity meaning powerful wing. I like it. The collaboration will establish Lilium as an active and contributing industry player in the region's low-altitude economy, supporting relationships with local infrastructure partners, customers, and regulatory authorities, while the partnership initially focuses on the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area. With a population of over 85 million, Lilium intends to grow across China and the broader Asia-Pacific region in the future. Lilium appreciates Bion District's extensive regional knowledge, which is essential to build the foundation for premium ETORO operations in the Greater Bay Area. All right, some more information just out. Thank you very much indeed, John Granfor, for sending that in. We had a bit of a down... Stop, hang on a minute.
J Long donated $4.99 through a super chat. Martin. Next month, 7/11 will be 4 years since my wife and I lost our son. Could you learn Dancing in the Sky, Danny and Lizzie? Also sung by others.
I will certainly have a look at that, and I'm very sorry about that. You lost, my wife and I lost our son. I'm very, very sorry to hear that. Let me come back to that in a moment. So, Lilium NV. Click above my head for all the links for Lilium, and down below in the description, I'll post the Alpha Spread software, and I'll post the link to the event earlier, as above my head, martynlucas.com. And over here, I'll put the Lilium event, and I'll put the Lilium playlist down here for more information, news, reviews, and reports down there. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right, another thing done. Links for YouTube. John, yep, done all of that. Everyone's been covered today. No more links for YouTube, please. I've got to do reviews that are paid for in Super Chats. My next month will be 4 years. Also sung by... Okay. I will do my best. I cannot obviously promise I can sing every song. Some songs just don't work for me, but I will do my best. For you. Right. I've written that down, copied into a note. Okay, got it. Thank you. Yeah, and that's sad. Yeah, that made me quite sad for a moment there. It's funny, isn't it? Anyway, right. Okay, stock's bouncing up again. We're at all-time highs again, 90,881. Very, very nice indeed. Let me have a look. Whoops, where am I? Okay. Now then, I had a super chat earlier. Tim Rogers. Let me... no one gets ignored. No one gets forgotten. Everyone gets mentioned more than any channel on YouTube. No one knows how to deal with people better than me. I've toured all over the world, entertained millions of people. So I understand everyone's sitting there. I'm not a YouTuber, as I explained before. I'm an in-person entertainer for 37 years, in concerts, in stadiums, all over the world. So I'm here to answer everyone's question. It just might take some time. You can sing anything. Don't know about that. Ya ya ding dong's a bit crazy, isn't it? Right. Caden Youngquist. Here we go. I'm going to have to at some point redo my notes because it gets harder and harder for me to see what's on this list. I'm getting my eyes tested tomorrow because it's getting more difficult. There it is. Right. So my next review is for Tim Rogers. Tim Rogers, there he is. You are next. It's going to be Altria versus Philip Morris International. So what I want to do is, for you, Tim, is do you have access to Discord? Is there any information that you want me to share in this video? Is there anything at all that you want me to share in the video that you can send in to me? Because what I'd like to do is I want to go and have my breakfast. I've been going since 5:30 this morning because I did the Lilium earnings. So what I want to do is go and have my breakfast now. I didn't even have a shave this morning. Can you see that? I mean, a little close up there, look. Didn't have a shave this morning. I always have a shave. I didn't have a shave this morning. I had a wash. I'm clean. Clean my teeth, all right? Under my arms. I'm clean. I just didn't have a shave, all right? So that's all. So don't... Normal service will be resumed tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is come back earlier, as early as I can for the closing bell. And the first thing I will do is Altria versus Philip Morris. So, Tim, you are a member. I presume you've got access to Discord. Send me the links in for things that you'd like me to talk about and look at during the video. And Wednesday, tomorrow, is FOMC report. Thursday, unless there's any big news, will be a review day, members review day. And I will do free reviews, mini reviews, first come, first serve for members. I did a members day a few weeks ago. Do you remember? Members day, when it will be members only video. It'll be first come, first serve. And I'll do like 5 mini reviews for free because I like to give back, even though I don't have to. There's no rule saying I've got to do free reviews. I will do the first 5 and we'll do a review day on Thursday and we'll do 5 mini reviews for free, just mini reviews for free. And you can have that on Thursday, all right? So if you can send me stuff in, Tim, that you want me to mention, doesn't matter if you don't, but if you do, there might be something that you want to talk about and you want to mention or whatever. But if not, that's fine. Right, I'm going to end the show. I'm going to get out the FOMC report, the SNDL, the Tilray, Velo 3D, Lilium News Part 1, Lilium News Part 2, GameStop, and then the Omar review, the Omar video. All right? Okay. Enjoy breakfast. Nice cup of tea, James. Thank you so much indeed. And I'll see you in a bit. So let me make sure then I've got this Thank you, Becky, for that huge super chat today. I can't tell you how kind that is when people super chat like that. It really is extremely kind, and I can't thank you enough. So thank you for that. Right. And make sure we're going to keep the family together so you can discuss with each other. Redirect to the extra channel. Conversation will carry on. I'll put some background music on. And here is the extra channel link as well. Yeah. Thinking of J2. Martyn, Thursday morning is okay with review. Review growth of both companies. Review growth of both companies and which is the better company, the success of dividends. Yes. Yes, we're going to compare that. Yes, yes. Right. Definitely worth learning, MSK. All right. So let me give all our Rumblers. We've got a nice Rumble audience today, by the way. Our Rumble audience is here. I never got to speak to or find out who the member was on Rumble. If you become a subscriber on Rumble, it's the same as being a member. And that person was going to get, I think it was Dragon Z or something like that. They were going to get perks and benefits. I just can't get hold of them. They're not in the chat. And they probably think, where's my benefits? Well, I do it manually, but I can't do it because I can't find them. So every day I hope they'll come back in. But anyway, that's it from me. No day trade of the day. I just want to get finished, get some food, and I'll be back as early as possible. And I'll see you all back in a bit. Go and join me on the extra channel. Thank you so much indeed for joining me. And that's it from me for a bit. Anyway, see you on the extra channel. Let me go over here and put the music on. Right. There you go. The music's now playing in the extra channel. If we go over here, it should be playing. Shall we click it and see? Watch. It should. See? There you go. It works. Fantastic. 2 separate feeds now. Oh yeah. You don't know these things, but I'm always trying to make things better, and that makes it even better. All right, see you back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other. Well done. Say that until you get it. I think Cece has a medium, but she likes her shirts bigger. Hope it fits. Thanks, everyone. I appreciate the support. Absolutely, always. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.